Hey y'all, today I'm going to do my first burn in my new King Camp stove. Y'all come on. Okay y'all, in this new King Camp stove, you can build your fire right in here, pretty low. Then you shove the drawer in, open your door, start building your fire. That's what we're going to do. I don't usually use fire starter, but today I'm gonna. Okay y'all, it's going. Let's get this door closed and watch it happen. So this is one of the fun things about getting a new stove, is you get to do the first burn and break it in and get all the junk burn out of it and chemicals and all that stuff. It's gonna smoke a little bit, it's gonna start turning colors. I don't know how good y'all can see it, but this is what the top pipe looks like, the color of it. As you go down, it gets darker and darker, turns almost into a copper color. There's our flue. I got it wide open. Might adjust it just a little, just for fun, because I ain't ever had one. The box ain't turning color yet, really. A little bit, not too much. Here we go, y'all. This is what we're waiting on. See that color right there? Oh yeah, we're burning all this off. There's the side of it starting to turn colors. Definitely hot. We're gonna let this burn about an hour. I'll check it about every 10 minutes. Okay, y'all, it's been 10 minutes. Let's see how it's doing here. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right or not, but looks like it's going good. Have I mentioned I ain't done this before with one of these sticks? Here it is from the front. Now supposedly this knob should not be hot. It's warm, not hot. So let's add some wood. It's doing good, y'all. It don't stink near as bad as it did at first. Color's changing real good on this side. A lot better on this side than the other for some reason. Maybe the fire's bigger. Pipes are looking good. I'll be back in 20 minutes. Okay, y'all, it's been about 15 minutes. Not a lot to report, but there is color changes more around the bottom of the door. I'll come back in a little bit when it's all done. Okay, y'all, it's been an hour. I think we accomplished our goal. Looking good. Let me show you real quick. Here's the front of it. That's what we were going for right there. See how pretty that is? That's what we wanted. Top of it, not quite as discolored. Eventually, maybe. Pipes did good. Get less and less colored as you go up. I tell you what, one of the things I found amazing, you remember this window was completely black, and I guess this fire burning up to where it burnt some of it off. This side ain't quite as discolored yet, but it'll get there eventually. You can still see through the glass. That's amazing to me. King Camp stove, large. Okay, y'all, that does it for the first burn. It was fun. It's looking good. I appreciate y'all joining me. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.